Hi everyone, how are you? I hope you're fine. Welcome to AIMS tutorial. In today's session, we are going to discuss about special types of integration. First one is if I equals to px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. So here I is px plus q means linear divided by root over quadratic. If the question is in the form of linear by root over quadratic, its answer is always a logarithm of quadratic plus b integration of 1 by quadratic. So 1 by quadratic and 1 by root over quadratic we discuss in part 2. Once go and see there. So first one is linear by quadratic. Answer is a log quadratic plus b integration 1 by quadratic. Now second type is linear by root over quadratic. So linear means here px plus q, quadratic means ax square plus bx plus c. The answer is 2a into root over quadratic plus b integration 1 by root over quadratic. And type 3 is linear into root over quadratic. If the question is in the form of linear into root over quadratic, the answer is 2a by 3 quadratic to the power of 3 by 2 plus b integration root over quadratic. So here to find the values of a and b, the working rule is linear equals to a quadratic dash plus b. Dash means here we have to differentiate. Then are equating both sides, we will get the values of a and b. So formula of A is P by 2A and formula of B is Q minus PB by 2A. Using these two formulas, we can find out the values of A and B and substitute in A and B. So if type 1 is given, the answer is always in this form. If type 2 is given, second one, and type 3 is given, this one. So just we have to find the values of A and B. We have to check the options where the A, B are satisfying. Okay. Now, one more thing. So type 1 here a log quadratic expression is coming. So here we are using the formula of f dash x by f of x, that is log mod f of x. And second one, for second type we are using the formula of f dash x by root f of x, that is 2 root f of x plus c. For third type we are using the formula of integral root f of x into f dash x, that is f of x to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. Let's discuss few problems of each type. Our first question is if integral x plus 5 by x square plus 4x plus 5 dx equals to a logarithm of x square plus 4x plus 5 plus k times of tan inverse of x plus m plus c, then find the values of a comma k comma m. A means actually a only and k means we have to find the value of b with standard form. Here this is tan inverse of x by m. Anyway, first the given question we have to compare with the form of px plus q by ax square plus bx plus c. Here p means x coefficient is 1, q means constant is 5, a is x square coefficient 1, b is constant 4, and c is b is x coefficient 4, c is constant 5. So what about formula of a? Formula of a is p by 2a. Using this formula p by 2a, we can find out the value of a. Like that, formula of b is q minus pb by 2a. Using q minus pb by 2a, we can find out the value of b. So a equals to p means here what about p is 1 by 2 times of a also 1. So 1 by 2. A is 1 by 2. Now b is q means 5 minus p means 1 times of b is 4 divided by this 2a. So 2 only. So 2 ones are 2, 2s are. So 5 minus 2, 5 minus 2. Yes, what about 5? 2 ones are 2, 2s are. So 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 2 is 3. So our KRB is 3. Now next one, we have to find I1. I1 means perfect square we have to make. So I1 means 1 by quadratic expression. So this 1 by quadratic expression we can write x square plus 4x plus 5. So we have to make perfect square. So x square coefficient 1 is there. What about x coefficient? 4 is there. Half of 4 is 2. So we can write x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 1. So this is in the form of a plus b whole square, that is x plus 2 whole square plus 1, we can write 1 square. So this is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square. Its formula is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So now if you compare tan inverse of x plus 2 with tan inverse of x plus m, so what about value of m? M value is 2. So b value or k value is 3, m value is 2, and a value is if not asked, if asked, a is 1 by 2. Okay, a also is there now. So a is 1 by 2, a 1 by 2, k 3, and m is 2. Second one is integral 2x plus 2 by root over x square minus 4x minus 5. So this is linear by root over. So special types, linear by root over. So here formula of A is P by 2A. P is 2, Q is 2, A is 1, B is minus 4, C is minus 5. So P is 2 divided by 2 times of A is 1. 2 to get cancelled, A equals to 1. And what about formula of B? B is Q minus PB by 2A. Q is 2 minus P is 2 times of B is minus 4 divided by 2A. 2 ones are. So this 2 to get cancelled, minus of minus plus 2 plus 4 is 6. So capital B is 4. So given question, P by root Q, actually the answer is 2A times of root f of x plus B times of I1. So we just got the values of A and B, and just we have to find the value of I1. I1 means 1 by quadratic expression root over. So again we have to make perfect square. So x square coefficient is 1, x coefficient is 4, half of 4 is 2. Now adding 4 and subtract 4. If you subtract 4 from the 5, it will be minus 9. So x square minus 4x plus 4 in the form of a square minus 2ab plus b square, a minus b whole square, means x minus 2 whole square. 9 we can write 3 square. So this is integral 1 by x square minus a square root over cos h inverse of x by a. X means x minus 2, a means 3. So value of this I1 we have to write here. Okay, so B is 6, value of I1 is cos h inverse of x minus 3 by 2. So sometime in option, instead of cos h inverse, logarithm of x minus 2 by root over x square minus 4x minus 5 also is there. So formula of cos h inverse in terms of logarithm. Next, third one is integral linear into root over quadratic. The answer is always 2a by 3 quadratic to the power of 3 by 2 plus b times of I1. To find the values of a and b, to find the values of a and b, so formula of a is p by 2a, and that is p means 3 by 2a, 2 ones are 2, so 3 by 2, a is 3 by 2, formula of b is q minus pb by 2a. Q minus PB by 2A. Q is 2 minus 3 times of P is 2 by 2 times of A. So 2 to get cancelled, 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So A is 3 by 2, B is minus 1. Now I1 we have to find. I1 means integral root over quadratic. So this 5 we can write 1 plus 4. So x square plus 2x plus 1, a plus b whole square plus 2 square. So x plus 1 whole square plus 2 square. So this is in the form of root over x square plus a square. That is x by 2 root over x square plus a square, whatever question is there, that one, plus a square by 2. A is a, whatever a square is 4 by 2 sine h inverse, positive is there, so sine h inverse x by a, so x plus 1 by 2. So we can cancel it, 2 ones are 2 twos are. Anyway, we have to check the answer. So which option is right, yeah, which option is matching with our answer, then we have to take the right answer. So these are special types, special functions of indefinite integral. L by Q, L by root Q, L into root Q, means linear by quadratic, linear by root over quadratic, and linear into root over quadratic. Okay.